Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. What is this? Well, if you caught the last video, I purchased myself a little bit of gap insurance. Yeah, so if you didn't catch the last upload, I went and got myself a NITROUS Express kit, a plate kit for my 2022 Mustang GT. For whatever reason, that video, it didn't get a lot of views, a lot of hits. So after you're done watching this, please do me a favor. After you're done watching this, go back and watch my unboxing video of everything that I got right here. But in this video, I'm going to break down in detail, as best I can, everything I got, why I got it, and why I chose to go the NITROUS route over like an ESS kit, for example. But before we go any further into a deep dive of the kit that I got here, I am approaching I believe it's the 5-year anniversary of having a YouTube channel here. I believe it will be August, will be 5 years. No, sorry, excuse me, 6 years. Excuse my voice, I'm getting over a cold. 6 years of doing YouTube. Long time. So if you could do me a favor, I'm trying to hit a goal of 10,000 subscribers. That is my first goal. So if you could, if you haven't yet already, please go ahead, drop a like, and please hit subscribe. It's free. Help me hit my first goal of 10,000 subs. All right, yes, so I went with the plated NITROUS Express kit for my 2022 GT. It is specific to the 2022 and up S5, sorry, the 2018 and up S550s. So I did the whole unboxing, and I want to kind of explain why I decided to go the NITROUS route first. Now, I've been talking about going NITROUS for quite some time. I did a video, God, I want to say, maybe it was about 2 years ago, talking about the pros and cons of going NITROUS. And I had a lot of stuff happening between now, since that video. You know, I had a lot of things going on outside of the world of YouTube, moving out of a house, moving into this house, the expense with that and everything like that. So then I decided, I reached out to NITROUS Express a while ago, was able to get a partnership with NITROUS Express. I've used NITROUS probably on 4 or 5 separate cars that I've owned in the past. I love NITROUS. I've used other NITROUS brands. I haven't specifically used NITROUS Express though. So if you caught the last video I did an unboxing where they sent me the wrong window switch. And to be honest, at first, I didn't know what the heck it was that they sent me. It was this box right here. So by mistake, they sent me like I didn't even know what this was at first. I thought it was like some relay or extra wiring. This right here is just their basic window switch, what they have available for these cars. And I paid for the digital switch, which is right here. I will take this out of the wrapping here in a second. Okay, so this is what I paid for. It's, the standard window switch for your S550 or any car. So they accidentally sent me this one when I paid for that one. I gotta send this back still, but they sent me this, which I was supposed to. This didn't come in my original order. Excuse me. And the extra NITROUS gauge, which goes here on the bottle. They forgot to include that in this right here, but I got them now, so I got everything here for my kit. Oh yes, and I can't forget the good old the purge. I got the extreme purge, which I said in the last video I did, I don't know the difference between an extreme purge and a normal purge. To be honest, I don't have a clue. So I believe it's just a bigger NITROUS purge, maybe. I don't know. If anyone can explain that, I would really like to know. And then I got one bottle heater, and I got 2 bottles. Why just one? Well, because in the trunk, I'm going to mount the 2 bottles with the double bracket that I have. I need to reinforce the bottom with this. I'm going to get like some like a sheet metal or something to put on the bottom of this to reinforcement, because this is flimsy, so that it can hold the weight of the bracket and 2 full NITROUS bottles. So I'm going to be getting that here soon. I also, man, I'm sweaty. It's hot as hell today. Side note, today was supposed to be an event at Texas Motor Speedway for laps for charity, which where you get to take your car around Texas Motor Speedway like 5 laps over 100 miles an hour. They rescheduled it because of rain. Do you guys see any rain? I don't see any. Supposedly the rain's supposed to come in this evening, but yeah, I don't see any of that shit. They're rescheduled it for August 8th. And Texas in July and August is hell's front porch. It's gonna be hot, even in the evening. Lows of like 80 to 85. So it should be pretty interesting in the heat. But yeah, that was supposed to be today's video, but they canceled it because of rain. Come on. Yes, so I also need to get some colder spark plugs. I gotta get the bracket. Let me get the hood propped up here. Alright, so when you go the route of nitrous or boost, you gotta go colder spark plugs. I believe with the nitrous, all you need is one heat range cooler. I believe, I gotta double check on that, but nonetheless, 1 to 2 heat ranges colder on the plugs. So I gotta get the plugs for that. So that's one thing I also need to get. I also need to get a different laptop that is a Windows-based laptop to do data logs, because the data logging program, it's only available to use on a Windows-based laptop, and I don't have a Windows-based laptop, so I need to get the laptop, the colder plugs, and the reinforcement in the trunk. All inexpensive things, but those things are coming here within the next couple weeks. So you might be asking, well, how come your nitrous isn't installed yet? You've had it for a week and it's not installed yet. Well, true. I really want to have it installed, but I got a lot of stuff going on outside of here. I'm transitioning from one job to another, and installing a nitrous kit with everything that I have is a full day's job. And although I've installed multiple nitrous kits, the one thing that me personally I'm not 100% confident on is wiring, and there's a lot of wiring involved. So I got a few buds I'm going to be having coming over here. Probably not going to have time to install it till probably next month. So James doesn't know this yet. He kind of does, but I'm hiring James to come over, help me install it, along with a couple other people as well. We'll just do a full-on install party. I'll document it for you guys here on the channel of the installation of the nitrous. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit subscribe, because that'll be coming up here soon. Like I said, probably within the next few weeks. So in regards to the plate kit, this goes in between the throttle body. So what's nice with this kit, it does come with longer bolts here, because with this plate kit, you're going to need longer bolts because it's more of a space. The factory bolts aren't long enough, so it is nice that it comes with that. You got your nitrous solenoids right here. And I talked about this in the last unboxing video that I did. Let me show you if you guys haven't caught the last video I did. This guy goes right in here. So if you like to use your sunglass holder, well, you're not gonna like this very much. But this thing is just, it looks, how they design this, it looks like it's just meant, I mean, it is meant to fit in this, but it just looks like it's factory. You got your nitrous arming switch, your purge, your bottle heater, and your opener. If you have one, I don't have an opener yet. I may get one, I just don't have one yet. Yeah, so that's gonna go right there, and you just wire it all up in the bottom. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy. Now with the purge, there's multiple different ways to have your purge. What a lot of people do, they'll drill a hole here, like on the nose of the pony. I don't know if you can see that because I got the blackout package, but there's a lot of people will drill a hole and they'll have the purge come out of its nose, like it's, you know, that will look pretty sweet. But I don't think I'm gonna go that route. I'm gonna have it go probably somewhere up along here. I'll mount it somewhere along in this area here, up against the firewall, and I'll probably have like a hole drilled, I don't know, somewhere like along here, and I'll have the purge shoot directly up over the windshield. I think that's gonna look badass. So in the process of me making this video, my buddy Henry, who I've had on the channel multiple times in the past. He's had a Hellcat back when I had my GT500. I would always beat him with my GT500. He had a few other cars on the channel as well. We would race my full bolt-on car here before. Actually, it was before I had headers. We would race all the time. Anyway, he just texted me and he says he's in the process. I believe he could be screwing with me, but he says he's buying another Hellcat. I don't know, but I just think it's quite coincidental that he's buying this a week after I got a NITROUS kit. Maybe that's it. I don't know. I just think Henry is itching to get gapped again. So if he is buying another car, that might be coming up the next video after this. He always likes to showcase his cars, stuff like that. So I kind of hope it's a Hellcat, because I want to race it before I put the NITROUS on. And if I beat him before the NITROUS, I mean, it sucks for him, but that would be hilarious if he bought a Hellcat and I beat him before I did the NITROUS, because it would be just astronomically worse with the 150 shots after the fact. So, we'll see. Subscribe if you haven't. That might be coming up after this. Alright, so anybody watching this that has the S550, or even, you know, a 650, whatever the case is, do you guys have a NITROUS kit on your car? If so, how do you like it? Most people go around the 100 shot to about the 150 shot. A 150 shot on the plate kit on a stock fuel system, you don't want to go any higher. If you go any higher than a 150 shot, you got it's always highly recommended to get yourself a fuel system and direct port. There's a couple different ways to go direct ports. NITROUS Express has a really awesome direct port plate that goes right underneath your intake manifold, and you can't even see it. It just hides right underneath, and that's super clean. So that's an option. Obviously, the other option is you go directly into each cylinder like so. I don't know if NITROUS Express has that option. They might, but I do know that they have that direct port plate that sits flush right underneath the intake manifold. So you can go probably 200 shot, but like I said, you got to get yourself a fuel system, and I think that's all you got to do is get yourself a fuel system, obviously on E85. I am on E85, so that's stock fuel system that I currently have. So 150 is where I'm starting. If I stay on NITROUS and I decide not to go ESS in like a year or two, I may bump it up with the fuel system to like a 200 shot. We'll see. I don't know. But on that note, I just wanted to showcase and break down everything that I have and why I decided to go this route. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll be installing this probably within the next few weeks. So if you haven't yet already, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. Bye.